In today's video, I'm going to teach you Gmail account recovery using recovery email. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get back into your account using the recovery email you previously added and how to safely update your password. Start by opening any web browser you're comfortable with. I'm using Google Chrome, but Safari, Firefox, or Edge will work just fine. In the search bar, type Gmail account recovery. From the results, click on the page titled How to Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. On that help page, scroll until you see the section about forgotten passwords, then click the link that says Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. This link takes you to the official recovery page. On the recovery page, enter the email address you want to recover, then click Next to continue. You may see a few recovery prompts. If the option you want doesn't appear right away, click Try another way. Keep selecting Try another way until you see the option to recover using your recovery email. Here's how this method works. If you had previously added a recovery email to your Google account, Google will offer to send a verification code to that address. This is especially helpful if you recently reset or lost your phone and can't receive prompts or texts. On the screen, you'll see a partially hidden version of your recovery email. Don't worry, yours will display masked for privacy, but you'll recognize it. Google will automatically send a 6-digit verification code to that recovery email. Open a new tab or use your phone to sign in to that recovery email inbox. Look for the message from Google with the verification code. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check your spam or promotions folders. Keep the recovery page open while you do this so you can quickly enter the code. Once you have the code, return to the recovery page and type in the 6-digit number exactly as it appears, then click Next. If the code is correct and within the time limit, you'll be signed back into your Gmail account through the recovery email method. Right after that, you'll be prompted to secure your account. Click on Update Password to replace the old password you forgot. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere and consider storing it in a trusted password manager so you don't lose access again. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.